Alright, here we go. Today is 7th July, right? And the day is Wednesday. We are starting our new chapter, Water O Water. First, we will learn how to read it. Don't waste water. Water is precious. पानी को waste मत करो. That is valuable, right? Water is life. Can you imagine your life without water? You will say, no, ma'am. What we will do when you feel thirsty, right? Water is precious. Okay. The moment you wake up to the moment you get to bed, you will need water for everything. Just imagine that without water what you can do, right? About your daily routine, and make the list out also. The moment you wake up, you are using water in various ways. So write it out that in which activities you are using the water. Okay. Tip, tip, tip. Oh, the water falls, overflowing the rivers, lakes and ponds. These water bodies, see, these are the water bodies we are going to draw. Okay. Just now I am just telling you that these are the water bodies. Waves of ocean gallop like a horse. Waves of ocean means ocean's waves are running like a it is such a huge like horse. Okay. Don't waste water. Water is precious. Please don't waste water. If you see the tap is running, right, without any work, then you can close it. Clear? Taking form of icebergs on hilltops. Boil it, heat it, turns into vapor. Okay. Water has 3 states. Okay. Solid, liquid and gas. That solid form of water is icebergs, that is ice. Okay. On hilltops means on the mountains, right? The high on mountains, it is like a snow. Boil it, heat it, turns into vapor. And if we will boil the water, it will turn into vapor, means air form, right? In gas form. Keeping singing the song of springs. Water is life, water is precious. Giving life to crops, plants and trees. Right now which season is going on? Rain. Now if you have observed that after the very first time raining, if you will see the trees and plants, you will feel that they are smiling, right? They are like being green. The dust will be go away from the plants and trees, and they will be like beautiful than before. It will look very fresh. Okay, so it is life, and that gives life to crops, plants and trees. Running in human body, nourishing animals and birds. Now you will say, madam, in our body blood is there, but my dear children, our body consists of 70% of water. Okay, and even blood is also in liquid form, and that also contains most of the amount of water in it. Okay, so running in human body, nourishing animals and birds. Water is life, water is precious. Now nourishing animals and birds. Now if you have visited doctor you might have listened to them that they are telling that drink more water. Yeah, now there are too many benefits for drinking water, and you may write down. You can take help of your parents or elder brother or sister. Okay, you can list out that what are the benefits of drinking water. Water is life, water is precious. During drought there is stress. जब अकाल पड़ता है या दुकाल पड़ता है, there is stress. Life seems to be in pain. Okay, जैसे जीवन कोई मुश्किलों से घिर गया है ऐसा लगता है. During floods there is threat and fright. जब बाढ़ आती है, when flood comes, okay, you might don't have the place to stay out, right? So that is threat and fright. Well, tap a hand pump filled with water. Water is life. Water is precious. Tap में पानी आता है, कुएं में पानी आता है. Hand pump. You have seen hand pump? In many villages we can see, on the roads even we can see the hand pump. Okay, that is connected through the underground water, and when you will push the pump, you will get water. And this is also the poem it was given for to write on Monday. I hope you have written, and please recite the poem twice aloud so you will know how to pronounce the word. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you.